Bienvenue sur les Virtual Tours de la Digital SITL. Chaque vidéo rassemble les présentations des exposants les plus pertinents vis-à-vis d'une thématique, leur activité, leur innovation et leurs services. Nous avons créé pour vous 8 Virtual Tours. Réglementation des marchandises dangereuses, transport, sécurité, nouvelles énergies, technologie et systèmes d'information, traçabilité, intralogistique et infraport. Tout de suite, nous vous proposons un parcours sur les équipements et services 2020 pour sécuriser vos flux logistiques, véhicules, sites et marchandises.
Designing breakthrough technology requires vision. To develop it, ambition, passion, and collaboration. But to entirely redefine established practices, you need to go above and beyond. Massive investments in research and development, extensive knowledge of strategic issues, and perfect mastery of industrial processes. All of this makes Azure Drones one of the world leaders in the autonomous drone industry, making our vision a reality. With its patented technology, our SkyTech autonomous drone is ushering in a new era in the safety and security of high-risk locations and industrial sites. SkyTech is designed and manufactured in France and is the first autonomous drone to be granted approval in Europe. Being autonomous means being able to make decisions. Imagine being able to see everything, everywhere, all the time. SkyTech considerably reduces your reaction time, whether by day or by night, completing rounds of the perimeter, confirming a threat, or monitoring the development of a situation. Your teams work in greater safety, and the information you receive is more complete and more accurate. Being autonomous means being able to take action. Imagine having a drone that was exceptionally easy to operate. With SkyTech, drone pilot training is a thing of the past. It can be piloted remotely by your teams and is easily integrated into your security system. The autonomous drone will become a strategic and operational asset, optimizing your efficiency and your cost effectiveness, all while legitimately reducing your risks. Being autonomous means having the means to fulfill your ambitions. With SkyTech, you will be using the most advanced autonomous drone technology, operational on sites across Europe and around the world, with a French-certified industry leader knowledge and technical support. Azure Drones. Assess anytime, anywhere.
Bonjour, bienvenue sur le stand de Protect France. Nous sommes une société française qui existe depuis 17 ans. Nous sommes basés au nord de Paris et nous commercialisons des produits que nous appelons des générateurs de brouillard. Le générateur de brouillard, qu'est-ce que c'est? En fait, c'est une solution qui va se coupler à une alarme et lorsque l'alarme va déclencher, elle va envoyer un signal à notre système qui lui-même va se mettre en action et va produire très rapidement un épais brouillard. La solution avec ce brouillard, qu'on appelle une protection active, a pour but d'empêcher la visibilité. Le voleur va être surpris par le bruit, puisque les appareils vont produire ce brouillard avec une pression de 20 bars. Il va être surpris par le bruit et surpris par la rapidité à laquelle on empêche la visibilité des objets et la visibilité du champ qui est devant lui. Du coup, ce cambrioleur n'aura qu'une envie, c'est de faire demi-tour et partir en oubliant l'objectif qu'il avait avec lui, qui était de voler ou de venir avoir une action de malveillance sur le site. Cette solution peut s'adapter à la fois à vos centres de télésurveillance, à la fois à votre PC de sécurité, à la fois à vos bureaux, là où vous avez par exemple votre salle serveur, on pourrait protéger vos données, mais aussi protéger tout simplement vos marchandises et vos biens dans les différents entrepôts, dans notamment les parties d'expédition, parce que vous savez bien, vous préparez vos colis, vous préparez vos marchandises, elles sont prêtes à être embarquées dans les camions, et c'est bien souvent sur les quais de chargement ou de déchargement que ces malveillants opèrent. Ils repèrent, ils arrivent en nombre, et très très vite, ils chargent des camions. Ici, grâce à la solution Protect, vous allez très brièvement pouvoir remplir cette zone de quai de chargement et de déchargement en quelques secondes. Globalement, en 30 à 40 secondes, vous êtes capable de remplir des grands volumes grâce au système Protect 2002 qui est aujourd'hui le plus puissant du marché. Protect a depuis fait une association avec une société anglaise qui s'appelle Smartwater, ce que vous avez ici, et on va introduire en même temps avec ce brouillard une solution que l'on appelle une solution de marquage codé qui va marquer les individus sur leur peau pendant 8 à 10 semaines. Ça ne sera complètement invisible, mais lorsqu'ils seront appréhendés par les forces de l'ordre, ces mêmes forces de l'ordre, avec leurs techniciens d'investigation criminelle, auront des lampes spécifiques qu'ils possèdent déjà dans toutes les gendarmeries de France pour pouvoir lire l'individu qui sera marqué. Avec ce code unique, ils vont pouvoir lier l'individu à l'endroit unique qui a été cambriolé ou volé. C'est la solution qu'on appelle les PMC, produits de marquage codé.
Now, you can protect your docks, employees, and equipment with the Dock Guardian Safety Barrier from Right Height. The Dock Guardian Barrier is a simple, easy-to-use safety solution for almost any loading dock. The Dock Guardian Safety Barrier has the ability to help prevent a serious, life-threatening accident. The unique design of the Dock Guardian has been tested and proven to stop a 10,000-pound fork truck traveling up to 4 miles per hour, resulting in little or no damage to the safety barrier. The Dock Guardian steel wardens help prevent vulnerable overhead door tracks from fork truck impacts. The rugged warden guards also help the Dock Guardian curtain store completely out of harm's way, providing full access loading and unloading. For simple, effective protection from serious loading dock accidents, install the Dock Guardian Safety Barrier from Right Height.
The Global Wheel Lock Restraint offers simple operation, fewer components and moving parts for low maintenance, plus all of the reliability you've come to expect from Right Height. How does it work? The one-word answer is simply. A flashing green light outside tells the truck driver it's okay to back in. As the trailer approaches the dock, the wheel guides ensure accurate on-center positioning. As soon as the trailer's rear tire crosses the locking arm, the barrier rises and, using the energy of the trailer, follows the tire until the trailer stops against the dock bumpers. Inside, the dock worker presses the lock button on the controls to secure the trailer. This activates the locking teeth inside the restraint housing and also switches the inside communication lights from red to green to indicate conditions are safe for loading or unloading. Outside, the driver sees the signal turn red, so it's clear that he or she should not attempt to pull away. After loading or unloading operations are complete, the dock worker pushes the unlock button to release the locking teeth. The truck driver gets the green light to leave, and the locking arm follows the trailer tire back to its original resting position.
Loading dock enclosures are designed to create a barrier between interior and exterior environments. But even the best seals and shelters sometimes leave gaps. Getting a good fit around all sides of the trailers that come to your dock can be a big challenge. Until now. The Eclipse Shelter from Right-Height is the first system to block light and seal gaps where previous enclosures have failed, guaranteeing you the darkest, most environmentally secure dock possible. In a single piece of equipment, the Eclipse Shelter provides a snug, effective seal all the way up trailer sides, across the top, and at the corners. No more light, no more gaps. On the sides of the trailer, durable Gapmaster hooks wrap around swing-open trailer doors, sealing the gaps created by the door hinge, gaps that amount to over 2.5 square feet of open air if left unsealed. The hooks are constructed of a rugged premium material for extreme durability and are wrapped with a flexible vinyl sleeve that conforms around the hinges for a better seal. Along the top of the trailer, an exclusive weighted head curtain applies over 100 pounds of pressure across the full width of the trailer top. This gravity-based system keeps the curtain in constant contact with the trailer during loading and unloading, ensuring a tight, consistent seal without requiring an additional rain diversion header. This weighted curtain automatically adjusts to all trailer heights, eliminating the need for manual pull ropes, effectively sealing low and tall trailers alike. At the top corners, the Eclipse side curtains and weighted header work together to seal gaps that ordinary shelters just can't address.
Challenges. SpanGuard creates a highly visible curtain 48 inches above the floor and spans up to 60 feet in length. The curtain incorporates fiberglass rods on 10-foot centers to help maintain its tautness and appearance. Providing 200 pounds of resistance with minimal deflection, SpanGuard creates an effective barrier to help create a safe and productive working environment. When the SpanGuard curtain needs to be stored on a temporary basis, it can be easily retracted into the self-contained storage cylinder. Placing the curtain back into its barrier position is also quick and easy. When plant operations change, SpanGuard can be easily relocated by removing and reinstalling 4 3/4-inch diameter anchors for each post. Keep people and equipment out of harm's way with the SpanGuard barrier system, the latest safety innovation.
Hello, my name is William van Loon and I'm a Strategic Development Director. I would like to talk about the Securitas Logistics Solutions. Logistics is about managing the flow of goods from point of origin to point of consumption. For the security industry, this means ensuring security at sites like manufacturing plants, warehouses and depots. But of course also during the transportation of the goods between these sites. Securitas solutions for the logistics segment can be divided into 2 main areas: facility security and transport security. The manual service that we have been offering in the past are now combined with more and more technology. One of the challenges in the logistics segment is that a large part of the business is international and therefore crossing borders. Securitas is the only pan-European provider that offers security solutions within their own company network. For facility security, the Securitas sales tool can be used to do operational risk scans, standardized, TAPA compliant or customized. For the transport security, the Securitas Communicator platform can be used to forward cross-border alarms and share these between countries and law enforcement agencies. Securitas continuously invests in solutions and tools for the logistics segment to keep ahead of competition.
Nous espérons que grâce à ces vidéos, vous avez trouvé les solutions et prestataires correspondant à votre besoin. Vous souhaitez prendre rendez-vous avec un exposant ? Inscrivez-vous à la plateforme de mise en relation Match & Connect 2.0 en cliquant en haut à droite.